In the Bible, Noah is introduced in Genesis 5:29 as the son of Lamech and a descendant of Adam through Seth. His name means rest or comfort, and Lamech said Noah would bring relief from the cursed ground caused by sin. Here's what we know about Noah's character and role beyond building the ark. A righteous man in a corrupt world. Noah lived in a time when the world was full of evil and violence, but he stood out as a man of integrity. Genesis 6:9 describes him as righteous. He lived in right standing before God. Blameless among the people of his time, he didn't follow the corrupt ways of others. He walked faithfully with God. This phrase is only used for a few people in the Bible, like Enoch. A man of faith and obedience. Hebrews 11:7 in the New Testament honors Noah's faith. By faith, Noah, when warned about things not yet seen, in holy fear built an ark to save his family. He trusted God even when it didn't make sense and took decades to act on that trust. A preacher of righteousness. 2 Peter 2:5 refers to Noah as a preacher of righteousness. Even though the Bible doesn't give us his exact words, this suggests that he tried to warn others and encourage them to turn back to God, even while building the ark. A father of nations. After the flood, Noah and his sons repopulated the earth. His